Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have here a 2-pack of, I'll show you what these are here. These are like little urinal holder things, specimen things. Let's see, can I open this up? So, might be ruining its thing, but this is what it is here. So it's got a little connector in there, and you can pee in there. So if you're taking some road trip and you don't want to be able to stop, you can do this. It's better. It's got a nice big front instead of peeing into like a bottle or something like that if you're on a road trip, or if somebody has a medical device or medical reason, if you had some surgery or something in your home and you can't make it to the bathroom, then you get that. So you get these. It comes with 2 of them, and it comes with 2 of these. I guess they're hangers for it, so you could hang it up somewhere if you really want to. So you can hang it up and hang it on the wall and have it, next to your bed. So it's nice and handy if you needed it. So a nice device for somebody who needs it, that's for sure. And it seems nice and sturdy and plastic and doesn't seem like it's going to leak or anything. So I think these are going to be good for somebody who needs some little mini urinals for saving yourself from peeing yourself or peeing on the floor. Thumbs up.